I'm Granny Green Thumb, and today we're going to talk about earwigs. Ugh. I got an email from someone that says, help, I have got earwigs in my garden, and earwigs can wreak havoc in your garden. You might call them pincher bugs. They're nobody's friend. So today we're going to talk about how to trap them and get rid of them. There aren't even very many pesticides that will kill them because they're so awful. So we're going to use the trap method. So you start out with a container. Sometimes I use these little blue ones. This is the lid to a peanut butter jar. Today I'm going to use this tuna can. That's typically what we'd use as a tuna can because it's just big enough. The lid's a little bit small, but it works. If you have something bigger that you want to throw away, you could recycle it as an earwig trap. Get your container, and then you want to pick a location. I'm chosen this spot right here where I've got beans and squash. Earwigs love to eat the beans leaves. They generally eat the leaves and kill the plant, so this is a great spot. I want to put it close enough to the beans that the earwigs will travel through it as they're trying to get to their delicious bean meal. We're going to inset it into the ground, but first I want to show you we're going to talk about what you can pour into it. I'm not going to pour into it now because it will fall, but I have already put a little bit of bacon grease in here. If you're a vegetarian, maybe you've got a friend that's got a little earwigs, that is a great attractor of earwigs is bacon grease. And so we'll talk about what else we're going to put in here. But I just put a little bit in for the scent. So I dug a little hole. You can use a shovel, your hands, because you want to inset the can so the top of it is going to be flush with the soil, pretty close. We want the can, we don't have a big moat around it. We want the soil to come right up to it. So as the earwigs are walking along, they fall right in. So I'm going to add to my bacon grease, vegetable oil. For some reason, any variety, canola, regular, they really like the vegetable oil. And then you can also use beer. If you have beer that you want to sacrifice to the earwigs, go right ahead. And then we're going to put in a splash of soy sauce just to add a little extra attraction to it. It looks disgusting, but earwigs love it. So make sure the dirt comes up to the edge of your container, and then during the night, the earwigs will come. They usually don't come out in the day, but they'll come out in the night. So check in the morning, dump out the earwigs, and repeat until you just don't get any more. Good luck with that. Hope that protects your garden from the little beasties. And remember to always eat your vegetables. This is Granny Green Thumb. You can ask questions just like I had here, and we can answer them. Ask Granny Green Thumb at gmail.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.